Hello, my name is Julian.
And my name is Bianca, and we created what's probably the world's richest and most whimsical way
To learn about emotions and inner world.
According to research, it's the best gift we can give together.
To children in need, to the planet,
to you.
and me.
For over 6 years, our team has helped thousands of children from hospitals, foster homes and poor environments, children with disabilities, as well as many children from different families to grow their emotional intelligence with fun and ease. Children love to learn from our live shows and workshops. Their enthusiasm gave us a boost of confidence to develop fun digital tools that deepen children's understanding of emotions.
Anytime they want.
After creating 3 animated songs and 3 apps,
We reached the milestone!
You see, it's not easy to do so many episodes dedicated to different emotions and methods.
And it's even harder when we have to do everything ourselves, like until now.
If you help us, we can externalize some activities.
so we can help children in need learn to cope with stress, pain, and handle life situations like rejection or peer pressure, anxiety, depression, fear of failure, or other fears for a better life and society.
By supporting us!
You will also get the full digital collection for any child you love, and this may very well be the best gift.
Your help is super important!
By contributing,
You will also help us grow.
The social business!
And so, we'll have the chance to help millions of children in the following years.
Can you imagine the chance we have right now?
To help so many children on this planet?
Let's help the children!